You see this right here? You see that long ass line? This is basically what happens. You see that light all the way down there that just turned red? You probably can't see it. Even in 4K, you probably still can't see it. It just turned red, that left arrow. So the cars over here will be like, F that, I'm not waiting. And they'll skip this and they'll go all the way around, and there'll be that first car skipping you at the light. Alright, so she just came for there. I'm just going to let her in. Yeah. She said thank you. You're welcome. Look, might be one contender right here. Yeah. There you go. JGL 3577. That's one contender. He was the boy that skipped everybody in the school lunch line. He was one of those that let me get in front of you and you get in front of me, and then the one behind is like psh, and everybody else behind is like psh. You know, I'm surprised you got one out of everybody. Wow. And you'd be surprised, like, you know, and that was pretty long, and sometimes it's longer and sometimes not that long, and you still get a lot of skippers. Look. So there you go. There's right here. Making that left. Look. Yeah, I skipped everybody. Feeling proud.